Printable embroidery designs are very useful. You can choose whatever size you like and print them as many times as you want. Depending on the fabric you want to use, you can print the design and trace it onto the fabric. A light box is useful for this, but not essential. A window works very well too. I like using blue fabric markers. The design doesn't fade while you stitch, but it washes out easily at the end. Check the pen on the fabric first to make sure it doesn't leave a mark when it washes away. Alternatively, you can print the design straight onto stick and stitch paper. This is a quicker method, and it also lets you work with thicker fabrics that can't be traced through, such as tweed, felt or denim. If the design has thick lines, you can decrease the ink density on your printer or try grayscale. This should prevent the ink bleeding onto your design when it's washed away. Once the design is transferred, you can stitch it however you like. Check out the description below for the materials I've used and how-to videos for each stitch. When the embroidery is finished, it's a good idea to hand wash it. If you've used stabiliser, warm water washes it away easily. You might also want to wash away any traced lines that are still visible. Thanks for watching. If you give this project a try, let me know how you got on. And if you've got any questions, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Please give this video a like if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more embroidery ideas. Bye for now.